Transform your skincare routine with the 20 Ultimate Glow Up Essentials on Amazon designed to give women radiant, healthy skin. From innovative facial tools and serums to must-have beauty gadgets, these products deliver real results and elevate your daily routine. Perfect for glowing, youthful skin at home. Stick around till the end. The final picks are next level, skin-transforming must-haves you won't want to miss. Number 1. Glow Recipe PHA Plus BHA Face Toner. The Glow Recipe PHA Plus BHA Face Toner is perfect for gently exfoliating and refining your skin. Its blend of polyhydroxy and beta-hydroxy acids helps remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and boost radiance without irritation. Ideal for daily use, it leaves your complexion smooth, hydrated, and glowing. Lightweight and refreshing, this toner is a must-have for anyone wanting a professional-level skincare routine right at home. Number 2. BAIMEI IcyMe Ice Roller and Gua Sha Set. The BAIMEI IcyMe Ice Roller and Gua Sha Set is a spa-like solution for reducing puffiness and soothing tired skin. The ice roller helps minimize inflammation, while the Gua Sha tool promotes lymphatic drainage and improves circulation. Compact and easy to use, it's perfect for a morning refresh or post-workout skincare routine. With this set, you can achieve a rejuvenated, radiant complexion and a professional skincare experience at home. Number 3. MasterMedi Tongue Scraper with Case. The MasterMedi Tongue Scraper with Case is designed for superior oral hygiene. Gently removing bacteria and debris from your tongue, it helps reduce bad breath and improve overall oral health. Made from durable, safe materials, it's easy to clean and comes with a convenient travel case. Daily use supports a fresher mouth and complements your skincare routine by enhancing overall wellness. It's a small, affordable tool with big hygiene benefits. Number 4. Naturium Glow Getter Multi-Oil Body Wash. The Naturium Glow Getter Multi-Oil Body Wash nourishes your skin while cleansing. Infused with multiple oils, it hydrates, softens, and leaves skin silky smooth without feeling greasy. Gentle yet effective, it works for all skin types and adds a subtle glow with every shower. Perfect for a spa-like experience at home, this body wash doubles as a moisturizing treatment, making it a must-have addition to any professional skincare regimen. Number 5. NAZANO 24K Gold Under Eye Patches. The NAZANO 24K Gold Under Eye Patches are a luxurious solution for tired, puffy eyes. Infused with gold and hydrating ingredients, these patches help reduce dark circles and fine lines while refreshing the delicate under-eye area. Easy to apply and comfortable to wear, they deliver instant soothing relief, perfect for pre-event prep or nightly skincare. These patches give your eyes a radiant, youthful look that feels professional and indulgent. Number 6. GrandeLASH-MD Lash Enhancing Serum. The GrandeLASH-MD Lash Enhancing Serum helps you achieve longer, fuller lashes with regular use. Its nourishing formula strengthens lashes while promoting growth, reducing breakage, and improving overall appearance. Simple to apply and gentle on the eyes, it's ideal for daily routines. Whether you want a natural lash boost or a professional, eye-catching look for special occasions, this serum delivers salon-quality results without needing expensive treatments. Number 7. UJFQBH 3-Pack African Bath Sponges. The UJFQBH 3-Pack African Bath Sponges are perfect for gentle exfoliation and a thorough cleanse. Made from natural, durable fibers, they remove dead skin cells while stimulating circulation and leaving skin soft. Ideal for all skin types, they work with any body wash or soap. Affordable and long-lasting, this set adds a professional touch to your at-home bath routine, making every shower feel like a spa experience. Number 8. TULA Balm Glow and Get It. The TULA Eye Balm Glow and Get It is formulated to hydrate, reduce puffiness, and brighten the under-eye area. Lightweight yet nourishing, it works well for daily use or as a primer under makeup. With regular application, fine lines appear smoother and dark circles are minimized. Perfect for anyone seeking a professional skincare upgrade. This eye balm refreshes tired eyes and adds a radiant, youthful glow without heavy creams or masks. Number 9. Hawaiian Tropic After Sun Body Butter. Hawaiian Tropic After Sun Body Butter provides soothing relief to sun-exposed skin. Its rich, moisturizing formula helps replenish hydration, calm redness, and leave skin soft and nourished. Infused with tropical scents, it also delivers a relaxing, spa-like experience at home. Ideal for after beach days or tanning sessions, this body butter helps maintain healthy, radiant skin, making it a must-have for anyone looking for professional-level post-sun care. Number 10. Glow Recipe Watermelon Niacinamide Dewdrops. The Glow Recipe Watermelon Niacinamide Dewdrops is a hydrating, brightening serum that enhances natural radiance. Infused with watermelon extract and niacinamide, it smooths skin, improves tone, and locks in moisture. Lightweight and fast-absorbing, it works well under makeup or as part of a daily skincare routine. Perfect for glowing, fresh-looking skin, these dewdrops deliver a professional spa-quality experience from the comfort of your home. Number 11. Dime Beauty Hyperglow Vitamin C Serum. The Dime Beauty Hyperglow Vitamin C Serum is a powerful, brightening solution for dull, tired skin. Packed with vitamin C, it helps even skin tone, reduce dark spots, and boost radiance. Lightweight and fast-absorbing, it layers well under moisturizer or makeup. Perfect for daily use, this serum gives your complexion a professional, glowing look and enhances natural luminosity without irritation, making it a must-have for anyone wanting fresh, healthy skin. Number 12. Millimeter Q-Store 8-Pack Triangle Powder Puffs. The Millimeter Q-Store 8-Pack Triangle Powder Puffs are ideal for applying makeup evenly and smoothly. Designed for foundation, powder, or blush, their soft texture ensures a flawless finish without streaks. Lightweight and reusable, they're perfect for travel or daily routines. Whether for home or professional use, these puffs make applying makeup easier and more precise, giving your skin a polished, natural look while keeping your beauty routine effortless. Number 13. NAZANO Lip Glowy Balm. The NAZANO Lip Glowy Balm hydrates and nourishes lips while adding a subtle, healthy shine. Infused with moisturizing ingredients, it keeps lips soft, smooth, and protected throughout the day. Lightweight and non-sticky, it works well under lipstick or on its own for a natural look. Perfect for daily use, this lip balm adds a professional, polished touch to any skincare or makeup routine, making your lips look fresh, plump, and radiant. Number 14. Physicians Formula Butter Glow and Go Stick. The Physicians Formula Butter Glow and Go Stick is a versatile, creamy highlighter that adds warmth and radiance to the skin. Easy to apply and blend, it works on cheeks, eyes, or body for a subtle glow. Its hydrating formula keeps skin soft while providing a professional, natural-looking finish. Perfect for travel or quick touch-ups, this stick gives your complexion a luminous boost and is a must-have for everyday radiance. Number 15. Schwangia Collagen Night Wrapping Mask. The Schwangia Collagen Night Wrapping Mask deeply nourishes and hydrates skin while you sleep. Infused with collagen, it helps improve elasticity, reduce fine lines, and promote a youthful appearance. Comfortable and easy to use, it wraps gently around the face for overnight absorption. Perfect for a professional, at-home spa treatment, this mask leaves skin soft, plump, and rejuvenated, making it an ideal addition to any evening skincare routine. Number 16. L'Oreal Paris True Match Lumi Le Glow Highlighter. The L'Oreal Paris True Match Lumi Le Glow Highlighter adds a radiant, luminous finish to any makeup look. Its smooth, blendable formula highlights cheekbones, brow bones, and other areas for a natural glow. Lightweight and long-lasting, it works well under or over foundation. Perfect for achieving professional-level radiance at home, this highlighter enhances your complexion and gives skin a polished, sun-kissed appearance with minimal effort. Number 17. Kuyum Watermelon Niacinamide Skincare Set. The Kuyum Watermelon Niacinamide Skincare Set is a hydrating, brightening solution for daily skincare. Packed with watermelon extract and niacinamide, it helps smooth texture, improve tone, and boost glow. Lightweight and gentle, the set works for all skin types. Perfect for at-home professional-level care. It provides a refreshing, radiant finish and keeps skin soft, nourished, and healthy-looking, making it a must-have for a glowing complexion. Number 18. Gain Double E 50-Count Compressed Facial Sponges. The Gain Double E 50-Count Compressed Facial Sponges are an essential tool for cleansing, applying toner, or removing makeup. These sponges expand with water, providing a soft, gentle surface for delicate skin. Convenient, hygienic, and easy to store, they're perfect for daily routines or travel. Ideal for professional-level skincare at home, these sponges help achieve a clean, refreshed complexion while minimizing irritation and making your skincare routine simple and effective. Number 19. Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Facial Spray. The Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Facial Spray hydrates and refreshes skin instantly. Infused with watermelon extract, it soothes, tones, and gives a dewy glow throughout the day. Lightweight and non-sticky, it works alone or over makeup for a quick refresh. Perfect for busy mornings or post-workout touch-ups, this facial spray delivers a professional, spa-quality feel at home, keeping skin hydrated, fresh, and radiant whenever you need a boost. Number 20. Hydrating Face Cream with Retinol and Ceramides. The Hydrating Face Cream with Retinol and Ceramides nourishes, smooths, and rejuvenates skin. Retinol helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles, while ceramides strengthen the skin barrier and lock in moisture. Lightweight yet deeply hydrating. It's perfect for daily use or night routines. Ideal for professional-level skincare at home, this cream keeps skin soft, supple, and radiant, making it a must-have for anyone wanting healthy, youthful-looking skin without complicated treatments. That wraps up our list of 20 ultimate glow-up essentials on Amazon to transform women's skin. From hydrating serums to nourishing creams and luxurious masks, these picks help you achieve radiant, healthy skin at home. Subscribe for more must-have Amazon skincare finds and beauty tips.